Hi everybody, Dr. Kritzer back with you for Advanced Google Analytics. This is Unit 4, Part 2, and we're going to look a little more into event tracking in this video. So, Google Analytics uh, records clicks as events. Clicks are done for various reasons, perhaps to purchase something, perhaps to send an email, to watch a video, to go to another page. Uh, Clicks are actions that are categorized by Google Analytics as events. And of course, we use that JavaScript to, to link these events for our reports. So it might be an event such as sending something, buying something, clicking on a video, perhaps subscribing to a newsletter, depending on whether our site is oriented for profit or for influence. So the data is passed to Google Analytics, and we have data on the category, the action, the label, and the value. So a category might be a video, an action might be playing the video or pausing the video, and the label might be that the video is an MP4, and if you want to attract a value to it, perhaps the amount of time on the video. Value, though, is often used for more profit-oriented endeavors. So we can track the events, and if you notice, we have the event label, we have the event action, categories, and values, okay? And this is all found under the overview for events, okay? We can also track events by source. So maybe we only want to see what are the results of our website for people that access it with Android or Chrome. We might find that some accesses are more successful for us than others are. We could even track events by by like unique events. For example, it may not be just about shopping for something. Maybe we gotta have a campaign for purses, for example, or for one aspect of our website. So we can track the total events and the unique events. Remember that total events may not be as important to us. People click and click in, click out, click in, click out, as opposed to unique events. I think it's more important to pay attention to the unique events than the total events. And we can have a top events report. So if we click on under events, we click on top events, we can see how our various categories are doing with regard to the actions and the values per event, as well as per event action. So we have labels attached to each event action, actions that are unique to that event, and all leading up to how successful is your campaign, because it might take several events to get someone to purchase something or to subscribe to a new newsletter. And so we have labels. We can click on the top events, and we can click on the actions, these various actions, to access this data. We can also track data that comes from outside sources. So this whole category of event tracking really leads us to, how are our goals, how are conversions being accomplished on our website, on the individual pages on our websites, and also some of the various different events possible on each page on our websites. So now go back through the Google Merchandise Store, as well as your Google Analytics setup, and go and look at the events category, click deeply through it, get familiar with it, and I will be back with you for Unit 4, Part 3. Dr. Kritzer saying goodbye.